Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 25 of marching through my minis. We are getting so close to the end. So I brought my $8, got my little cheat sheet so I know what day it is. So we have my $8 I'll put right there. Get my binder all set. How are you this morning? I have $8 worth of prop coins that I'm going to get out, and we'll put our $8 in our little bank. I am filming this in the evening. Just got out of the shower, feeling refreshed, and I had to put the long sleeve shirt on. It's a little warm in Vegas, so a little warm, so I just turned the fan on in my office. So hopefully that keeps me cool enough. Oh, I don't need to put that down. All right, so I have my prop coins that total the $8 I brought in. I have my D3 die, so I'm going to roll the die, and we're starting at number 7. So it's giving me 1, so I'm going to put 1 down, and then we're just going to keep going until all of them are done, which will be a while if we get all 1s. 2 for 1. And we really just all want to cheer for number 3. That's my big one. So maybe I need to say 3 again. 3. Yes. 1, 2, and 3. And that we get around again and we get another 3. It's my first one that's $10 in my little tiny book. 1 for 5. 2 for 6. 1, 2, and 3. This is your reminder that if you haven't started your taxes, you probably want to do that. I've worked at a CPA firm for a long time. I don't anymore, but it's just that never goes away, you know. Tax season is always coming. All right, so we need 3 to get 3. Ready? Everybody, 3 to get 3. Not 1. Hopefully it was 75 cents. I don't have 75 cents in here, so that's actually impossible. I hope it was 50 cents. And then my last 2 for 5, and we will start at number 6 tomorrow. Can't believe we're at day 25. I don't know why I took that out. Okay, so let's see. 1 got $1. I don't have any markers out. Let's see what we need. Oh, this is our cute one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Our little stars. So each star is 25 cents. And they will add up to $5. So we can cross off $1 worth. And I already crossed off that one. Do I want to do the blue? Let's do the lighter blue. Let's do the little stars first. All right, so we have 4 stars for our $1. And then we'll put this back in here. Ooh, look at number 2. Number 2 got a lot. Number 2 got all 25 cents. Okay, so we have $1.50 for number 2. And this one is from Rainbow Budgets. So we have the Hawaiian monk seal, which is the Hawaii state mammal. So we did Hall. I'm a dork. Okay, so we can do 4, 5, 6 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can finish Hawaiian and do the M. Perfect. All right, this will save us $4 when we are done. That's making really good progress. All right, let's see what number 3 got. Oh, yes. We got 2 of the 50 cents. So we have $1.50 going into number 3. So we can do this one and then 4 more squares down here. So I will get my green out and I will be right back. All right, there we go. We're getting there. Coco wants to go on a walk, so Coco's letting everybody know that, including you guys. All right, we have 50 cents going into number 4. This one is from Maribel at Mint Dough, so we can do 2 more boxes. All right. That is so cute. Babe's out there talking to her. You think you want to go for a walk? Okay. So we have 75 cents going into number 5, which is from Cash and Coin Crew. So we can finish off this row. Do I have orange? Now we do. All right. I should have said column, not row. All right. So that is Let's Go Ghouls. Let's stick that in there. And then number 6 got 50 cents. And this one is from Norella's Budgets. So we can do 2 more. I don't know if you can really see. I've marked off the first row and the first one. So I don't know if I can make that a little darker. That might help a little bit. All right, so we can do 2 more. There. That might help. All right. This will save us $6. All right, and then number 7 got $1. All right, so this is from Candy at Stuff and Budget, 2027, Year of the Sheep. I can do 4 more circles and I'll be right back. 75 more cents and that one will be done. All right. I don't know why I put that there. What the heck? You guys were probably like, what are you doing? I'm like, I didn't finish any yet. All right, so let's see what one doesn't have a challenge. So we're going to go back to 8, but 4 is, sorry, you have to go to your home. Oh my goodness. All right, so number 8. Ooh, number 8 got 50 cents. So we have $1.25 going into number 8. Oh, that's this cute one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget. Let's get out. Sorry, I wanted this marker. So, all right, so we can do 25 cents here. And then $1. 50 more cents, and that one's done. So we did not finish any today, but that is all right. We will try again tomorrow for day 26. So let's put our coins away, maybe do a little shuffle. Maybe the coins and the D3 can get together while we're gone and conspire to give all the 50 cents to number 3. All right, so we're going to put that away. And that is all I have for today. So I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day and a fantastic week ahead. And until next time, take care. Bye.